The 2006 murder of an Aurora police officer is among the cases in which a now retired detective had documents stashed at his home.
The question now in that case, or many others, could it be affected by the discovery of 30 boxes of documents in the former investigator's crawl space? The files covered more than 90 cases the investigator was involved in during his 41-year law enforcement career. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates joins us. You've been going through all of this for a few days now, Kevin. So what's significant about the murder of this fellow officer?
Kim and Sam, it's this. The man who was convicted of killing that officer has been behind bars for nearly 20 years, but he has a pending appeal, and these files have the potential to become part of that effort.
September 2006, an Aurora police officer grappled with the loss of a colleague. Officer Michael Thomas was a 24-year veteran and a Medal of Honor recipient.
We are in mourning.
In street clothes and at the wheel of his personal car, a gunman killed him at a stoplight as he was headed to a police training center. An Adams County jury convicted Brian Washington of second-degree murder and other charges, and a judge sentenced him to 80 years in prison. He remains behind bars today. But he's hoping to get back into a courtroom with an appeal that's pending. And 9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says the revelation that a detective in the case had documents at his house could come into play.
If the lawyer handling the appeal wants to do so, they can ask the Court of Appeals to send the case back down to the trial court to determine whether there is new information that might help their client.
Even if that happens, however, there's a bigger question.
Only if there were documents that were withheld from the defense will it matter that the detective took file materials, case materials home.
3 different district attorneys are going through these files to make sure there are no documents that should have been turned over to defense attorneys but were not. That process involves files from more than 90 criminal cases and is likely to take months. At this point, we are not naming the retired detective. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.